Our story begins with four young adventurers seeking to make their mark on the world. Their journey will lead them to the town of Novus Initius.
It's been quite a long journey, and we haven't seen a hint of conflict in ages. I hope you're all keeping yourselves sharp. I'd hate to see one of you lose to a slime.
How could I lose to a slime, my dear?
Life is pain and suffering. The only sure thing about life is that we die. Why do we keep running from the inevitable?
Okay, moving on.
Look, up ahead! Bandits!
Shut it, you oaf! You'll give away our position.
We should take this opportunity to practice, after all.
Combat happens in real time. Abilities are mapped to the Q, E, and F keys. Each ability is unique and has its own unique cooldown.
Now, shield smash them, Alexander.
I've been hit. Will this be the day I get the sweet release of death?
Hey! Mori, when you're finished painting your nails black, why don't you take a potion and get back in here?
Items are a great way to keep health and mana up. They can restore health or mana, or even both depending on the item.